Hi everyone, I'm Ish, a business and a leadership coach. Today, I'm going to talk about a topic that has had a big impact on my life. Before I begin, I want to talk about something that I was talking to a group of people yesterday. I was speaking to them and asked them to list down the uses of a rubber band. They came up with a good list, some interesting and some common uses. However, one thing was common. A rubber band had no use or power if it is not stretched or put under tension. However, when you stretch it, it creates power, energy, and value. Now, when I think of a rubber band and its power, I'm reminded of a toy or maybe a small weapon, what we call as slingshot. Our life is like this rubber band. We will never grow to our full potential if we do not stretch ourselves beyond our comfort zone. Now, we all live in the comfort zone, me included. And if you did nothing to move out of your comfort zone, you will have what you have had in your life for the rest of your life, but nothing more. Possibly less, but nothing more. Because growth only happens when there is a tension between where you are and where you could be. I know a challenge that many of you might be facing is to recognize when it is time to break free of the comfort zone or when you are at the edge of your comfort zone. What you need to do is you need to look out for the BBS feelings. Now, it's an acronym wherein the first B stands for a feeling that tells you you need to back out. The second B tells you of a feeling that says you are bad at it. And the S is a feeling that tells you you do not want others to see you. Now, let me tell you a story here. Long ago, there lived a king. He was gifted with 2 eagles. He took care of them and built a strong bond with them, so much that they were not required to be caged. As the eagles grew, the king wanted to see them fly high in the sky. So, he ordered the caregiver to give signal to eagles to fly. Now, one of the eagles flew high in the sky, but the second one flew just a bit and came back to sit on the branch. This made the king worry. So, he announced a challenge with astonishing rewards to anybody who will make the second eagle fly. Days and months passed. A lot of scholars and qualified people tried to get the eagle to fly, but failed. The king almost gave up. But one morning, he saw the second eagle fly high in the sky. He got to know that a small farmer in the village was able to get that done. So, he called up the farmer and asked him, "How did you make it happen?" The farmer responded, "All I did was chop the branch down on which the eagle was habitual of sitting, and that left eagle with no option but to fly high in the sky." Now you understand what a comfort zone can do to you, and you also understand the feelings you need to look at to help you identify and break free of the comfort zone. I'm sure you would be wanting to know, how will I benefit by moving out of my comfort zone? Let's quickly look at some of the benefits. Number 1, it will help you stand out because not many individuals are committed to stretching themselves. Number 2, it will help you avoid settling for status quo. Number 3, it will propel the change process because you can't improve and avoid change at the same time. we must stop looking over our shoulders on what was and focus on what is. Number 4, it will help you become a better leader, because when you stretch, you allow yourself to go above and beyond what other people do. As a result, you are able to affect and infect the life of people whom you lead to make them better. Last but not the least, it will help you take a shot at significance, because it will help you identify the gap between good and great. Could it be that the gap is our willingness to move out of the comfort zone? I'll conclude by saying I want to make a difference, doing something that makes a difference, at a time that make a difference, with the people who want to make a difference, because those who are willing to stretch themselves will always make a difference. The bottom line of the law of rubber band is, are you always looking for better ways to do what you already do? Because if you are comfortable, you are probably not growing. Always remember, comfort zone is the enemy of achievement. So let me ask you this: what are you doing to get out of your comfort zone? If you are struggling for an answer, let's have a chat. Thank you.